This is the type of YZL300 auto hydraulic oil press from Shockermatch. It can press sunflower seeds, walnuts, peanuts, cocoa, nuts and other oils. Its material is carbon steel with hard chrome plating and stainless steel, so it have advantages of beautiful and easy to clean. Using a sunken thickened base plate, heightened bottom plate, 130 mm. This is a large LCD touchscreen, precise PLC control. When we press different materials, parameters can be adjusted at will. The core components use advanced CNC machining centers, so that the parts have higher precision. Oil return pipe adopts stainless steel wire hose. It is difficult to break. Ultra high pressure with 3-piston oil pump. The maximum pressure of the system can reach 70 MPa. We have enlarged the fuel tank, which can continue to work 24 hours a day. Out oil and the color is clean. Auto pressure relief and open the top cover. Piston rises and the cake is ejected. Worker taking out the cake. Piston sinks automatically. Save time and energy.